my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing recreating Zoella's first ever makeup tutorial, what she's done. As you can see that I am not straightening my hair today, I just let it air dry, so please bear with me with that. But I'm going to be kind of watching her YouTube video at the same time as I'm doing this, but I don't know how I'm actually going to do it yet. But I've got my makeup here, I've got everything that I need. I will not be using exactly the same makeup because I haven't got as much money as she has, which I wish I could. This is why I want to be a YouTube video. This is why I'm a YouTuber. Makeup empty. It's now all in here because I went to my mum's and I stayed with my mum's the other day, so I had to bring like that. But yeah, let's get on with this video. So the first thing I'm going to do quickly, what do you think? Let's just put that bit out of my way. I know it looks stupid, but I'm going to do it anyway. But I'm going to use a bit of concealer. It's the Lasting Collection concealer. So I'm just going to do exactly what she's doing. So I'm just going to put it all over my face. So like that. But when she does it, I'm going to quickly pause it. Or best cover that spot. Why haven't I got a mirror? Like, why? So I'm just going to quickly put some on the spots that I have as well, because I can't be dealing with spots these days. But I think she like put it there, didn't she? It's paused at the moment. But as that's done, I'm now going to get a brush because she's obviously using a brush to put her concealer on now. But now I'm just gonna see, she can actually do her makeup better than I can, but I'm using exactly the same brush as her actually, but this brush is actually broken. Not broken. Gone really horrible because I dried it with a hairdryer, and I know you're not supposed to do that, which I am very, very annoyed at myself. You can see where I put concealer on, can't you? So obviously she's just gonna do that. So now I've done that, she's going to go on to like foundation, isn't she? So I'm going to kind of just get my foundation. So the foundation I'm going to be using is the Dream Satin Liquid by Maybelline. Oh, that didn't work out right, did it? By the way guys, if you can hear music, it's downstairs. They're playing our music. I don't know what songs they're actually playing. But I don't know if she puts it all over her face, like, but she put too much. Now I'm going to get a brush. Just going to get this one and just brush it all in. I do need some new brushes, guys. So where can you actually buy some new brushes? So I'm just gonna quickly pause that again because she's on the next bit, because I'm just like, and also it's really hot in this bedroom right now because where I've had to shut the window so you can actually hear me without all the cars, because we live on like a road where, what's going on here? We live on a road where there's lots of cars that go past and it's quite busy. There we go, look at that spot, and I'm just coming up in spots right now. It's annoying. Right, what's she do next? She gets her Burt's Bees. I've actually got some Burt's Bees, so I'm gonna put some Burt's Bees on. So there's the Burt's Bees. So I'm just gonna press. As you can see, I'm rocking at the Famous concert today. She's putting something under her eyes, but I don't have whatever she's got under her eyes. So I'm just going to put a bit more concealer under it. I'm going to put my e.l.f. concealer underneath. So as I'm actually running out of it, and it's not very good. What did I use? Oh, I was going to use this one. So obviously she's doing that. I don't know what she's got there, but oh, is that baking powder? Oh, she's not using baking powder yet. Well, I don't think it is baking powder, but I don't know what she's doing. So I'm just going to get a bit of baking powder, but she's using a brush, so I don't know. So she's using quite a small little brush. Oh, she's actually doing concealer on her eyelashes thingy, but I think it's primer, but I don't have any primer, so I'm just going to use this brush and just... So she's actually like, I don't know if this is actually baking what she's just done, but she's just put some white stuff here, so I'm going to put some white stuff there too. Yes, that's talcum powder. And now I need my Morphe palette, and she's using all of that. What she got? Same colours as her. What's she using? So it's like a kind of a, oh, let's do the eyebrows first. Okay, so I'm going to need is a brush, and then the ones I have been using for my eyebrows recently is the one at the bottom. It's quite dark, but it's not as dark as you think it would be. So I'm just going to... instead of anything. So, oh my god, what's happened to my eye? They do not look good at all, so I'm just ruining it now. Remember, eyebrows aren't the twins, they are sisters. So she's, I don't know what colour she's using. So she's using, the first one she's actually going to use is the lightest colour. I don't know what it's called, but it's an eyeshadow palette, and it's only got two things in, but she's got the actual light ones. And obviously I haven't got exactly the same one she's got, so I'm going to try and do the best I can. So I'm just going to get my brush, and I'm going to get the lightest one. So that's probably going to be that one, guys. But it's that one, but that's not even going to see, so I'm going to put this one on. So just going to press play, and then just put it on my eyes. It's not a very, really good recreation, guys, because I haven't got exactly the same stuff. So the other colour I'm going to have to use is probably like this colour at the bottom. So I'm not going to do too much because I don't want it to make it look too like dark. So I'm just going to do what she was doing. This is not actually exactly the same colour, guys, but I don't care. So I'm actually trying to hurry up doing this today because I've got to edit and upload it for today, guys. So that's going to do, because I don't have any other eyeshadow palettes that's the same. I do have another Morphe palette, but it's not exactly the same. So but she's putting stuff on top of her, on top of her eyelid. Now, found it. Now she's putting it on top of her eyelid, but I've never actually done this before, so it might not go completely fine. So she's putting it just on top of my eyelid. And I've never actually done this in my life. Yeah, that'll do. I'm doing it again because I'm going to put myself out. I'm just going to pause that because she's just casually going really fast. I don't actually think she puts highlighter on this one either. So that's that done. Now mascara, I'm just going to use this one today. It's the Wonderful Real Rimmel London, whatever it's called. So I'm just going to put a bit, I don't know how much she actually puts on her eyes though. So I'm just going to do, oh, does she put them at the bottom? I think I'll feel that. This is not going as well as possible. Like, I'm gonna have to get some more eyeshadows and redo this look again, but I'm really hot. Whew. Now she's getting, what's she getting? I think this is powder, so I'm gonna get some powder and just put it all around my face. So she's putting it all over her face, so I'm just using my all-time favourite, my Stay Matte one. So I'm going to put it all over my face. So then it's going to be alright. I've done that now. What's she going to do next? So she's getting some bronzer. So I need to get my bronzer, my Rimmel London again. And I'm going to get this brush here. Oh, it's hairy with it. So I'm just going to like this. As you can see, like she's got a smaller brush. I don't have a small brush. Which she's actually doing her makeup better than I am. Oh, I don't have blusher. What am I gonna do? Should I just put a bit of highlight on there? Yeah, I'll do that. So I'm just gonna get this. It's not gonna look good there, but okay. So she's put it all up here. What's that now? It's fine. Put a bit more on. Okay. I've messed this look up so much. So that's all I'm going to put on there. Oh, is that highlight? Oh, it is highlight. So I'm just using the Champagne and Diamonds, as you all know. And I am going to get my brush. So I'm just going to get this brush here. Just kind of that, and then she does it like, no she doesn't. Then she gets it and then she goes like this. But she puts it in there and then she's putting it up here too, so I don't know. Yeah, fail. This is actually a fail. So she puts it there and then look like that. So she's kind of gone like that. Does she put it anywhere else? And then she gets lipstick. What lipstick does she actually wear? It's kind of like a pinky kind of stuff. See, I don't have a pinky kind of one. I've even got this bright one, but I don't really want to wear the bright one. So I'm going to get the Rimmel London thingy, lipstick, and it's like that. So my lips still feel a bit weird after putting that Burt's Bees, but I'm just going to bring this over here. Right, that's done, but I don't know if she does anything else after this, so let's fast forward. No, that's all she does. Not the best look. Like, she's done her makeup better than I have, and it's a bit... Guys, that is the end of this video. If you like the way I recreated her look, please like and subscribe down below. And yeah, but I will see you next Sunday at 6 PM. Bye!